What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another backyard jeeping video. My name is Jarek, and today I have an unboxing video for you guys. We have a good old Cavfab product here, made in the USA. You gotta love that, seeing that sticker on there. Unfortunately, this is not a sponsorship video. As much as I would love it to be a sponsorship video from Cavfab, I use my own hard-earned money on it, and I don't have no problem with that at all. Now, some of you know that Big Booty Judy has a eBay special track bar. And that eBay special track bar wasn't supposed to be a long-term thing, but you know us XJ owners, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Well, now mine's broke. She's popping, creaking, cracking, bushings are gone. I mean, it's bad. So, Cavfab actually came out with a new track bar. And I believe it launched live on their website around January 13th or January 15th. Somewhere in between there, 14th maybe. And for the price point and it being from Cavfab, I knew I had to get it. So I was like, yep, let me go ahead. Click, 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 order. So I got it. And as you all know, I want to turn YouTube into a full-time thing. But I'm a hard-working man. So it's hard to get these videos out. I've actually had this track bar for around a week now. And I'm just now able to get to doing an unboxing video and getting it installed. But please like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment down below. The comments that you guys have been leaving on my videos absolutely make my day. It lets me know that you guys like the videos. Not only like them, but it's actually helping you. So like I said, I want to turn it into a full-time thing. So to see if you guys can just stay engaged with me, work with me, give me some time here. I'm really trying to work into making this a full-time thing. Also, check out the Instagram and Facebook at Backyard Jeeping, as well as the online store, backyardjeeping.com. Links for those and for the track bar, if you'd like to check it out, will be down in the description below. And also to let you guys know that if you go over to my Instagram and you send me a DM, let me know what kind of Jeep you have, and I'll actually send you out a free decal. No purchase necessary, absolutely free. The only thing that I ask for in return is after you get that decal and you get it put on your Jeep, your truck, toolbox, tackle box, hiking gear, your shoes, coffee mug, whatever you put it on, just send me a picture so I can get it uploaded to my website. If you actually go to the online store, backyardjeeping.com, the top section you'll see pictures of different Jeeps and different people that have got a free sticker, and I put it on the website. So if that's something that you would be interested in, who doesn't like free stuff, just send me a DM over on the Instagram, and we'll get you set up with a free decal. Without any more rambling, because you know guys know I like to ramble, especially after I've had my energy drink, let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing video. Alright guys, so here we have the beautiful Cavfab box, made in the USA. Gotta love that. As much as I don't want to mess up this pretty box, I'm going to have to. They got some really, they have the box secured really good. I mean, they got tape all around this side, tape all around this side. Let's go ahead and cut her on open. Alright, now that we got the bottom open here, I'm going to slide her off to the side. Let's get the drink out of the way. Good old G Fuel. Alright, we got just your standard packing paper. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can already tell this bad boy is about to be loved. Just your shipping information. Get the rest of it pulled out here. There it is. I knew there was going to be some horsepower in there. I knew it. Get the box out of here. Got your good old Cavfab decal. Right there. Horsepower, baby. And then here is the piece of resistance. Pack is really, really nice. They got this thing wrapped till Christmas, baby. Wrapped till Christmas. We got some saran wrap, it looks like, on it. So we cut it or just unroll it. Yeah, let's cut it. I don't like unrolling. We'll be here all day as good as they got this packed. Let's slice her on open. Oh, look at that. Nice and beefy. Nice and beefy. I'm not really worried about cutting too deep because I'm going to be painting this thing anyways. Here we got the bushings and hardware. Let's rip into the rest of it here. Oh yeah, they got this Cavfab. I love y'all's packaging. Like, this is my first Cavfab product, and I'm already highly impressed just off the packaging. You can tell they actually care about their products, and it's not just thrown together. There we go. Oh yeah. Check that out. That is a heavy duty track bar. Heavy duty track bar. Try to get that to focus there. Heavy duty. I mean, this thing is a unit. All right, here it is in all its glory. Cavfab. Let me talk to you for a second. I wasn't expecting this great of quality for the price. I'm just going to be honest. This thing exceeded my expectation for the price. Let me go ahead and just read you guys how much it costs and the details of this beautiful track bar. And you let me know if it exceeds your expectation for the price as well, coming from Cavfab. This is the new HD track bar that utilizes the stock axle and frame mount. Fits all XJ, TJ, ZJ, MJs, and LJs. Adjustable from 2 to 6 inches of lift. Has a 1.5 inch solid machined rod. No thin rod tube here. Works with stock axle and frame mounts. Chromoly Heim and poly bushing ends. Made in the USA. Has a lifetime warranty. And this thing was only $110 plus shipping. $110 plus shipping. Come on. $110 plus shipping for a Cavfab product of this quality. Come on. You can't beat it. I believe after shipping and everything, shipping to my area at least, it was $153 altogether. That's with shipping and taxes, $153. The eBay special one that I have on the Jeep now that lasted maybe 3 or 4 months was almost $200. I believe it was like $170, $160. So $153. You have a great quality product from a great quality supplier, manufacturer, shipper, everything. $153. Come on. I'm just rambling at this point because I can't get over the price of it. I mean, this thing is a unit. It's a beast. Like, check it out. Check out the quality of this. Like, the pictures and the cameras just don't do this thing justice. The welds are nice. I mean, look at that. Let me go ahead and unscrew the Heim so you guys can see in there. It's got nice weight to it, so you know it's a solid unit. It's a solid unit. Cavfab, you outdid yourself again. I mean, come on. They take one extra step that you have to worry about. Now, it being me, I'm glad that you guys did this because I'll absolutely get me, the garage, the dog, the kids, everybody covered in this stuff. They already have anti-seize on the Heim threads. I mean, it's already on there. You don't have to worry about it. So if you don't have anti-seize, you don't have to go buy any because it's already on there. And I'm glad because me and anti-seize don't mix. So hopefully I can show you guys this without getting anti-seize all over me, myself, the kids, the dog, and the garage. Look at that. Look at that Heim. Look at them threads. Look at all that anti-seize already on there. I mean, that's quality, baby. That's quality. I mean, this thing moves. The Heim, nice and easy. No binding. The threads, amazing. There was no issue screwing it out. I'll show you inside the tubing here. The best I can with the lighting that I have inside the garage. I mean, this thing. Cavfab, baby. Y'all gonna make me empty out my whole savings account with y'all's products. Let me get this screwed back in so I can talk to you guys. Guys, like I said, this exceeded my expectations. The video probably doesn't do it justice. The pictures don't do it justice. This thing is nice. I mean, it's really, really worth the money. It's great quality. Cavfab is a great, great company. I'm really excited that they came out with this. I'm excited to get this thing on Big Booty Judy. Like I said, $153. I mean, you got quality. $153. Don't get me wrong. I'm an XJ owner. I love my eBay and Amazon specials. But sometimes you got to just go with the big boys. You know, you got to roll with the big dogs. So if you guys would like to pick you up one, check out the link in the description. Also the Instagram and Facebook at Backyard Jeeping, as well as the website, backyardjeeping.com. Links for all that will be in the description below. Don't forget to get yourself a free decal. Send me a DM on Instagram, and I will send you the little picture that shows you the different Jeeps that we have and the color options that we have, and we'll get you a free decal sent out. Who doesn't like free stuff? So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Try to turn this into full time, like I said, for you guys, so the engagement. Leave me them nice comments. I love those comments that you guys leave. They let me know that what I'm doing isn't a waste of my time or your time. So yeah, please, like I said, like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment.